So, after tons of leaks and rumors, finally Vivo has confirmed the official launch date of its highly anticipated Vivo X200 Ultra. Not only that, we now also received a hands-on of the handset and its different color options. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, Vivo has announced on the 21st of April, they will be launching the Vivo X200 Ultra alongside the Vivo X200s. So, looking at the official teaser, it reveals the X200 Ultra in white color with vertical strips on the back panel. It is the same color option that we saw on a recent leaked hands-on video. Besides white color, there is also black and Vivo's iconic red color option. As we can see, the handset will have a flat looking frame with rounded edges, and on the front, it will sport a quad micro curve display which is expected to be a 6.2 inches screen with 2K resolution. A new addition compared to the earlier launched Vivo X200 and X200 Pro is the action button, which will serve as a dedicated shutter button similar to Oppo X8 series, iPhone 16 Pros, and of course Sony phones which have been offering it for a long time. As per a teaser, the Vivo X200 Ultra will be a slimmer device compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is 8.3mm thick. However, one of the most noticeable part of the Vivo X200 Ultra is its massive camera bump. In fact, we can say the biggest protruding camera island we have seen on a smartphone. Moving forward, the hype around the Vivo X200 Ultra is mainly about the camera system. According to the reports, there will be a triple camera setup. A 50MP Sony LYT-818 for the main camera with a bigger 1/1.2 inches sensor size and 35mm focal length. Another 50MP Sony LYT-818 as ultra-wide with 14mm focal length, the largest sensor in this category, and a 200MP periscope sensor with a 1/1.4 inches sensor size, and it will have an 85mm native focal length. Here, for reference, Xiaomi also offers similar specs to periscope sensors on its 15 Ultra, but that comes with a 100mm focal length. The most incredible part of this camera setup, as per Vivo, the X200 Ultra will offer optical image stabilization across all lenses, making it the industry's first handset. The brand even shared a teaser video where we can see it offers more stable video than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Further, the brand executive also shared a low light sample image comparing it with iPhone 16 Pro Max and a dedicated camera Canon 5D Mark IV. And as we can see, the X200 Ultra presents more detailed and brighter image compared to the iPhone. So, what are your expectations about the Vivo X200 Ultra? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.